Okay po. Issue na po. Start na po. Next game po, next game lang. Start na po. Ander, bilisan mo!
Wala pa.
Okay po, pagsakabit na. Joel Jomart Jander Lopez versus Email Elijah Ronald Jam Mulo. Mahilip, kaya po. Jander to Mark. To go to Joel. To Jander, no good. They go by. No good. Foul. Dapat na po. Joe. Number 17. Put up. No good. They go by. Number 0. Elijah. Elijah. Pass to Mark. 9 minutes and 24. Number 0. Size 7 move. No good. They go by Jander. Number 7. 17 seconds to shoot. Jander to go ahead. Go ahead. Asanova to number 17, Mark. Shaka, 5 seconds. 3 no good. Sino kay Jander sa ilalim. 2 points. Jander, number 7. 2-0. 8 minutes and 15. Mark, taking the shot. 2 points. Mark, Kai Makaili. 2 points. Jander, intercepted. Nakakuha pa rin number 17. Good screen by Mulo. Mulo to number 0. 10 seconds to shoot. Elijah taking 3. No good. 3 po by number 17. Lopez. Spin one. Pass to Joe. Boys. Joe, number 3. 4-2. 4-2. In favor of Team G. Mark. Spin cycle. Pass to Nuno. Taking 3. No good. 3 po by Jander. Jander to Joel. Joel. Asanova. Behind the back to Joe. Boys. Joe, number 8. Pass by Joel Asanova. 6-2. Elijah to number 0, taking 3. 3. Number 0-0. 6-5. Isang naman ng Team G. Joel Dapper. So good. Dito by number 0-0. Intercepted by Joel. Joel. Para pass to number 0, Mark, 2 points. 7 minutes exactly. 6 minutes and 55. Out of bounds. Well done. Ace with Team A. 6 minutes and 45. Touch pass. October. 6 minutes and 27. 15 seconds to shoot. Intercepted by Casanova. To Jander. Jander. Looper. Goal good. 3 by Bunaw. Pass to 0-0. Nagmamadali. Intercepted to Pinsita. Sayang. Wala na. Team A. Wala to play by Gunner number 7. Score 8-5 in Pimoro. King G. Elijah, one big fight. No good. Pimoro 5. Asanova. Asanova na nagmamadali. Asanova. Joel. 2 points. Joel Casanova. One shot by Joel Casanova. 10-5. Di ba lang 5 minutes and 34. Mark. Ainik. Pass to number 0. Short number. No good. 3 more by Mark. Bunao. Main move. Tuloy. Bunao. 10-7. 2 points. Number 17. Lopez. Ainik. Pass to Bunao. Short number. No good. 3 more by number 17. Last possession. Number 6. Last possession. So, one, so number no good. 3 more by Elijah. 4 minutes and 47. Last possession na po yan before change. Turnover or foul. Change pa rin. Shoot. Turnover, foul. Change pa rin po tayo. 4 minutes and 36. 10 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot. Foul. Change court na po. Change court. Change court po. Change court. Dito na po. Foul. Score. 12-7. 5 lang po. 12-7. Elijah, susubo ulit, long 3. Elijah Rodriguez. Well, 10. Dalawa na lang po naman ng Team G. Mark, James move, foul. Foul against number 21. Bunao. 3 minutes and 37. 13 seconds to shoot. Out of bounds. Good ball na po yan. Good ball. Good ball po yan. Live ball po yan. 3 minutes and 26. Elijah. To Mark. Taking 3. No good ni Mark po. Ang dinarin. Easy. Malawin sa tingin. Ang mamadali. Lumipan. Wala. 3-5. Out of bounds. Ball na lang. Hindi pa rin. Oras, 3 minutes and 10 seconds.
So good. 2 minutes and 15. Good. 2 minutes and 30. Three. So good. Good. 2 minutes. Go. Again. One minute and 45. Deadlock all 12. So good. One minute and 20. 1 minute and 20. All 12. All 12 yan, all 12.
Ha? Ano doon?
Alin na lang po ito. Thank you. 49 seconds.
Oy, oy!
14-12, lamang King G. 42 seconds.
Oy, good! Wakad bola ko. Takbo!
Good ball.
Galing!
33 seconds.
Bago!
12 seconds shoot.
Bigay na, bigay na! Aray, go!
All 14, 16 seconds to shoot.
Highlights ka na!
All 14. 7 seconds to shoot. Wala na shot clock yan. Mga isang minuto ata yung outing na ito.
3, 2, 1.
Patay! Bye!
1 minute po, 1 minute. 1 minute po, 1 minute.
Yan, sa inyo bola.
1
Bola!
minute. 1 minute po, 1 minute. Kanina yung bola ng first possession.
Saan nila? Teammate. Teammate po, teammate. 1 minute lang po, 1 minute. All 14.
Uy!
Bounce po. Live ball po yan, good ball. Good ball po yan, good ball.
George! George! I know! Eh.
3, 17, 14, 13
Good.
seconds.
Gamit oras!
33 seconds.
Uy!
24 seconds, 7 seconds to
Foul,
shoot.
foul!
7 seconds to shoot.
Brother!
Good ball.
7!
5 seconds.
5 seconds!
3 seconds.
Brother! Ay, parang NBA na!
10 seconds na lang po. Live ball yan, live ball.
10 seconds na lang daw!
7 seconds. 3, 2, 1.
Bang!
And nagpapagin, lamang natin na ito. 17-14, napakagandang laban ng Team A versus Team G. And I'm sorry, Team A, simple eliminated na po kayo. Maraming salamat po. And magpasipin na po kayo kay Sir Ken ng ET Graphics. Thank you so much. Next game na po ulit tayo. Win to win po. Team B versus Team D po. Team B versus Team D. Tina, James, Santos, Tristan, Ramil versus Team Jacques, Sadsad, Kapili, JP, Rodel, Rekrek. Parehas win po yun, parehas win. Win to win po, win to win. Ay, kayo ba nanalo? Kayo ba? Ay, hindi pala, sorry. Yan pala. B versus C, sila James pala, win to win. Next pala sila Sadsad. Lose pala sila, 1916 nga pala, 1916, sorry. B and C. Team B versus Team C, Tina, James, Santos, Tristan, Ramil versus James, Congestan, Almazar, Ryan, Makaili.
Ay,